how to buy Meena token crypto coin. Now, to be able to do that, so before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own or do your own research. Now, after that, just go and open it in the screener. It's available on it. Now copy the token address, and as you can see, it's available in Solana. So it's easy to buy it. Just go and use your Phantom wallet. After that, click on swap from here or from the top. Now click on swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana on your Phantom wallet. Now from here, just paste this token address. Now after you find it, as you can see, you will find the right one. So after you tap on it, now here enter how much of Solana you want to buy with. Now this is how much you will receive. This is the provider. Make sure you select one of them. Select Jupiter for example. Now after you tap or select or click on swap, you will be able to redirect to Jupiter to be completed the buy process. So after that, you will be able to buy the Meena token coin. So this is how to buy the Meena or the Meena token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.